Mekga e robedi ya dipolotiki e ipopile ngatana nngwe ho nka mehato ya jarisa mopresidente Ramaphosa boikarabello ba tlatlapo e bileng polasing ya hae ya Phalaphala. Mehato e kenyeletsa ho thongwa mabitso a batho ba tla thea moifo o ikemetseng wa diphuputso.
We will jointly and individually submit the names of former judges Mogoeng, Dikgang Moseneke, Bernard Ngwepe, and Yvonne Mokhoro to the Parliamentary Section 89 Independent Panel that will investigate the conduct of Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa.
Mohato o mong kwa ho kgothaletsa ntlha ya ho hloka tshepo ho mopresidente.
We will, as opposition political parties, will engage in a picket to the Office of the Public Protector on the 9th of September 2022 to demand the immediate release of the report on the violation of the Executive Ethics Code.
Ditaba di sa le jwalo Mokga o busang o re mopresidente o tla bontsha tshebedisano mmoho yohle.
The African National Congress has been satisfied by what the president has really advanced out in public, his willingness to cooperate with all other processes, whether it's processes at the parliamentary level or processes driven by law enforcement agencies.
Ka o le leng modulasetulo wa EFF palamenteng Floyd Shibambo o re mmusisi wa banka reserve le seja ganyago o lokela ho bolella komiti ya palamente hore nna mopresidente o tsebaditse tjhelete ya matjhaba e utsweng polasing ya hae dilemong tse pedi kapa tjhe.
We have written a letter to the South African Reserve Bank on the 28th of June 2022 asking specific questions about the evidence, prima facie evidence that was produced on Phalaphala farm, and we asked the South African Reserve Bank to confirm or deny.
Once we get any report of any possible violations of foreign exchange control regulations, we engage with the particular party. When I say party, I mean whether it is an individual or a company, and it is practice that we do not comment on any of our investigation.
Mekga ena ya bohanyetsi e re ke ya sia letho morao tekong ya yona ya ho jarisa mopresidente boikarabello.